Here's the clock speed it's running on. Power source, counter IC, NAND gate, mode switch, and one shift register. Here is the operational amplifier, which is not hooked up at the moment. It's actually being directly fed into my computer speakers. Here's the potentiometer array, some diodes that are recently added to sharpen the plateaus, and a simple pull-down resistor. Again, right now we're running on 4,400 Hertz. I'll change that in just a moment. Here is what the waveform actually looks like. The top is the clock rate, and the bottom is the waveform we have drawn with the resistors. Now, with the mode, it's going to change the way the resistors bleed into each other. So, flipping the switch, that's what it looks like then. For now, we'll start with this, and I'll turn up the volume. Again, this is a simple 4,400 Hertz. When we change that to 440, it's much lower. That's bad.